Hi, I'm Phileas Steyn and I'm the Safari Expert. And in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 tips on how you can improve the composition of your wildlife photographs. And it's exactly the kind of tips that I share in my online course called Wildlife Photography for Beginners and Amateurs, to which I've linked in the description below. And in it, I not only cover composition, but also equipment, settings, creativity, light, and animal behavior. So make sure to check it out. But let's get back to those 5 tips on how you can improve the composition of your wildlife photographs. My first tip is to change your angle. If you come across something like this chameleon, don't just stand there and photograph down towards it, because then the background will be right behind it, which means you won't be able to blur it. Rather, lie down on your stomach and photograph it at eye level, because then the background is that much further behind it, allowing you to blur it. Just look how amazing a small animal looks when you photograph it at eye level. My second compositional tip is to look for great opportunities to photograph animal body parts. After you've taken your portrait photographs like this leopard sitting in a tree, zoom in close and look for opportunities to photograph body parts. Just look how amazing this leopard's paws look when it fills the frame. I also love photographing things like zebra tails, as well as things like elephant ears, which have a lot of detail, texture, and character. My third tip is basically the opposite of the previous one. Zoom out and capture the animal in its environment. Some years ago, I came across this male lion walking through the bush in Botswana's Khoi community. Taking a portrait like this is nice, but it doesn't really tell you anything about where this lion lives. And even if I zoom out a little bit, it still doesn't do justice to this amazing landscape in which it lives. So what I did was to zoom out all the way and capture not only the lion, but also these beautiful, massive camel thorn trees that surrounded it. Note how I used the rule of thirds when I placed the trees and the subject within the frame. I especially like going super wide when there are beautiful clouds in the sky, like in this scene in Botswana's Mashatu Game Reserve. Tip number 4, don't always photograph horizontally. We instinctively hold our cameras horizontally, and for most of the time, that's not a problem at all. But sometimes the scene that you're looking at calls for a vertical shot. It could be the trees like in this example, or a tall branch with an eagle sitting at the top. In this case, it's a termite mound. And in other cases, it's actually a tall subject like these giraffes that look better when they're photographed vertically. Here I turned the camera vertically so that I could not only photograph the gemsbok in the front, but also the rest of the herd in the background. Photographing your subjects vertically like this not only looks better from a compositional point of view, but it also means that you're saving space on the sides that you probably would have cropped away during post-processing. My last tip is to leave enough space in front of your subject. Very often people zoom in too close to their subjects and then basically box them within the frame. And it kind of looks like they're going to walk out of the frame, as is the case with this lion. Simply zoom out a little bit and leave a little bit more space in the direction that it's walking. And if your subject has a dark, clear shadow like this wildebeest, zoom out even more and make sure that you don't chop off that shadow. And even if your subject's body is facing you like this white-faced duck, but they look to the side, leave some space in the direction that they're looking. And there we go. There's 5 very simple ways you can improve the composition of your wildlife photographs. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and go enroll in my online course called Wildlife Photography for Beginners and Amateurs.